Hi, this is ETY and welcome to my kitchen. Today let's make some Boeuf Bourguignon, also called Beef Burgundy, another French classic. The Boeuf Bourguignon comes from Burgundy, Bourgogne. It's a region in the east part of France, very famous for its vineyards and its beautiful terroir. So what's Boeuf Bourguignon? Well, it's usually beef brisket braised in red wine. And what kind of wine? Well, Burgundy, of course! And then flavored with carrots, onion, garlic, and a nice little bouquet garni. A bouquet garni is just a bundle of herbs. And I'm gonna show you what I put into mine. But first, numero uno, let's go get some carne. So I'm on my way to a local butcher. I wanna get that nice brisket, you know. Hola, ¿qué tal? Muy bien. Brisket, medio kilo. Sí, por favor. Un kilo más.
Un kilo más.
Sí, por favor. Un chicharrón. Muchas gracias.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. So I just got 1.5 kilos of brisket. I think we're good to go. Hey guys, I'm back with my brisket. We are going to braise it overnight in wine, but first let's chop it in little chunks. I'll start by cleaning off my brisket by taking the extra fat off just like this and then cut it into big chunks. Throw it in a container, open a nice bottle of red wine, table wine will be just fine. Pour it all in, pour the whole bottle in, just like this, cover it, put it in the fridge. Okay, now it's done, I see you tomorrow. So tomorrow is today, my beef's been marinating in red wine overnight. Let's keep going with this Boeuf Bourguignon. Now I separate the beef chunks from the wine, put them onto paper towels to dry them off for better browning, and then keep the wine for later. Now I chop my carrots, onions, tomato. I'll make a tomato sauce with those tomatoes. Set them aside. Cut my garlic, dice some lardons. Now in a pan, let's cook these lardons. In another pan, throw some olive oil. Now I'm starting to brown my chunks. Add some salt, fresh black pepper, just like this. Now let my lardon and nice and cooked, put them aside. Same for my beef, and keep the stock, guys. Keep the stock in the same pan. Throw the onions. Let's sweat those onions. Then add some carrots. And then throw your big chunks into the pot. Add some fresh black pepper, your lardons. Mix that all up. Add some garlic and my stock. Voila. Add some tomato paste, my tomato sauce. So I add in my dry bouquet garni that has thyme, rosemary and bay leaves. Cover my pot. So I bring it to high heat for 10 minutes and then bring it down to low heat for 3 hours. And make sure to stir it in once in a while. When my Boeuf Bourguignon is almost ready, I'll just cut some mushrooms, throw them in a pan and saute them. Add some salt, fresh black pepper. I want to make sure my mushrooms are nice and crispy. Check on my Boeuf Bourguignon and voila, it is basically done. As soon as my mushrooms are done, just add them into the bourguignon. Take off the bouquet garni. Cut some fresh parsley, getting my pasta ready. Et voila, a beautiful bœuf bourguignon. Okay, our bœuf bourguignon is done. Now I have my little pasta on the side. Let's add this little beef into it. Yummy, yummy. And drop this now. So let's give this a taste, but what? Never without the Dijon. It's Dijon or death. The meat just dissolves into my mouth. You can combine this with pasta, with rice, with just salad or a piece of bread. The meat is nice and tender. It's been cooking there for so long. The bœuf bourguignon is like so special to me. It just reminds me on like every Sunday brunches at home with my parents. Just my mom will make this huge pot of bourguignon. Guys, I hope you try this recipe on your next Sunday feast with your family and friends. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you next week.